Hey Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another unboxing I'm going to be doing for you. And it is this big bad boy. It is the Premium Bagend. It is number 216 of 1021 pieces. I wanted to unbox this in here because I got cherry wood floors out there. I do not want to mark it up. And I have carpeting in here, so I have lots of room. And I want to unbox this in here, and then I'll probably do the unboxing today and a review on another day, because this is a rather large piece, and I would like to do a review on another video because there is lots to talk about it. And let's just unbox this today and review it on another day for you here. Okay, so let's unbox this, and this is going to be quite interesting because it is a large, heavy piece. It is, ouch, I'll stab myself here. It is a really large piece, as you can see, and it does have quite a bit of weight to it. Ooh, careful. Stab myself to there. Okay, the foamies and the cardboard on here. I'm going to show you the art box after I pull this out here in the other room. I just didn't want to do this box in here. So, let's see, I'm going to do this here very carefully. Very carefully. Just don't want anything breaking on me here. Okay, let's pull this up very carefully. Oh, you can see it's a large box. There. Get these out of the way. And I wonder which way it's supposed to be. Carefully. Open everything. Yeah. Do this. Carefully. Oh. Okay, perfect. And And yes, it is celebrating the 20th anniversary of Lord of the Rings. And this is a, yeah, I'll show you in the other, on my table there. You can't see this. I'll bring this over there, set up the camera over there, and you'll be able to see this art box over there. Then I'll come back in here, unbox it in here fully, and then we'll do the review on another day. So, oh. Okay, let's go into the kitchen table now. So let's show you this art box. It is just magnificent. I went over this before I even, this is just well done, Weta. Wow. I absolutely love this art box. I just can't wait to see the environment itself. So you can see 20th anniversary, Bagend on the hill. Look at the back of this too. Isn't that cool? That is really, really awesome. I love that. And I want to go to New Zealand to the Hobbiton set and see this live. I really want to go see this. I promised myself on my 50th birthday, I'm gonna go here and see this. So, and then as you can see, opens up again. Look at this. Isn't that cool? I like this new feature that they've done with the open flap on it. The flap is magnetized, and then they give you all the insights of how they created it and all that kind of stuff, and how they drew everything, and the artist himself over on this side over here, how they, all the hours and stuff that they went through to make this environment and everything. So just phenomenal, and I can't wait to open this and show you the detail. And as you can see on the bottom of the picture there, it lights up through USB. I can't wait to do that feature on this. So yeah, let's like I said, this is just an unboxing, so I might just end it here, because this is or else it's going to be a long video, really long video. So yeah, let's go from here, and I will do the review either probably tomorrow or the next day. So most likely tomorrow, I think. So okay, like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys in the next video of the review of Bagend on the Hill. Awesome. Let's just open it up, guys. So I can't wait to do this. Let's just open her up right out of here. So and I have to do this. I'm gonna have to do this in the other room, or not. Let's just unbox it here. So I just got to be very careful here. I do not want to rip this box. It is just beautiful. I'll be right back. I just want to do this in my bedroom on my carpet, and I'll be right back. Okay, figured out what's top and what's bottom. I just wanted to make sure everything was all good here. That was really a chore. Holy moly. That was really a chore. Come on. I'm no pro at this, so I try my best. Come on. Just trying to be careful as I can here. And I wanted this as soon as I saw it. And I love this piece, and I love Paw Baton. I love Bagend. Okay, comes the meat of the issue here. I can just get this very carefully. Ah, there we go. Carefully. I don't know what that is. What's that, guys? Let me just put this over here. Ah, okay, so that's going to be that tree on top, I believe, and some other pieces here. Just want to be careful how I pull this out. Ah, okay. I gotta know how to pick this up out of here very carefully. There's some fragile pieces on here, which I do not want in. 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, I am so excited about this, guys. This is phenomenal. I'm in love with this. This is just, well, This is so cool. I'm in love with this. I'm so happy right now. And there's a piece that came in. Oh, this is just the key that's magnetic to the door. To this door right here, or I think it's magnetic to go to the door. Or something like that. I'll figure it out here. And so that's the key. And where's my knife go? Ah, there it is. Take that. Oh, careful. Like that. I'm just too excited for this, guys. I'll grab this. Grab it by the stem. The tree that goes on top. And they protected it very, very well with all these foamies that are in here. I like what they did there, but it's gonna, here, I'm gonna cut that camera and I'll be right back. I got so many of these. Holy moly, guys. Getting that tree out, well, getting the foamies out of that tree was just unreal. Like, there was a lot of foamies, and you had like, there's some of them that were stuck right in the tree that you had to use a knife to pick it out very gently so I didn't break any of the branches on the tree there. They protected this really, really well. And yes, I am just in love with this bag end on the hill. And yes, so that's my unboxing. Tomorrow I will be doing my review and my and show the light up, what it looks like and everything in the dark. I just can't wait to get this all set up here for you. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys tomorrow and the next day after I do my review of this bag end on the hill.